Warriors, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome.
Today we are doing the Ugly Duckling Challenge. It's brought to you by Cory over at Desert DIY. She's the host for the challenge. And this is our challenge piece. It's a waterfall dresser. And today we are going to be unpainting instead of painting. We're going to attempt to restore this dresser. The challenge is going to be we have no clue what's under this paint.
You have a really bad camera person. Yeah.
That should be good. Okay, so we're not sure. We believe that this might be latex paint. And we're not quite sure how we're going to get it off. We're going to try a heat gun and a scraper to begin with. If that doesn't work, we can try our carbide scraper. If that doesn't work, we'll end up stripping. But we're going to see if we can get most of this off with a heat gun to begin with and see how that works. So let's give it a go. As cool as this was using the heat gun, you can see it's leaving some of the top coat on there. So we tried our carbide scraper. You can see how much cleaner that is. So I think, and it's quicker, so I think we're just going to go with the carbide scraper because that paint is just peeling right off. And it's taking most of the top coat with it. So, okay, so we've got one scratch right here. We're going to see if we can do something with that to hopefully kind of fix it up.
Watch your feet.
Let me see the heat gun just out of curiosity. So the idea behind the water is that it will swell those fibers back up and bring this back to level or very close to it. I'm just very lightly using that scraper to see if it's taken what little is left off the paint. If it does, if it takes that little bit of paint out of there, then I know that we've got a level surface. But it looks like we're pretty close now. Not sure if that's going to show up with stain or not, but we'll see. Well, this is getting interesting. We've got a kind of a star pattern on this drawer. So Cindy's working on this drawer. We're going to see if maybe it's the bottom half of this star, if it all matches up. This would be the bottom drawer because it's got the waterfall part on it. So our only question really is these two drawers, because the top drawer is thinner. So we're going to see how these match up, and maybe we've got a full star pattern on this. We'll see what happens.
Well, that's pretty cool.
Okay guys, so as you saw, we scraped this down with the heat gun. Just want to let you know kind of the whole process we've been using on this. And then we used stripper on it to get rid of the top coat that was left after scraping. And now Cindy is putting afterwash on here. Mineral spirits will do the same thing. You just throw it on there. Helps neutralize the stripper. And she's using steel wool to rub it down with to take off any residue. And we'll clean it all up. And the front should be pretty much done. We got a little bit on the inside of the drawers, as you can see. We'll get that sanded down. And then we should be just about done with the base unit itself. So it's looking good. So as we were doing all of our scraping and whatnot, we did notice that this one drawer had come loose, the dovetails. So we are going to put a little glue in here. Okay, so we saved some of our sawdust. And we're going to make ourselves a little mixture here of sawdust and wood glue. Okay, we're going to be using Rethunk Junk's Tough Top for this one strip because we want this one strip to have a high gloss to it. We've been going like crazy, and I don't know if we explained everything. This is walnut gel stain. It's no paint gel stain by Dixie Belle. For the rest of it that we're doing now, we're using the General Finishes gel stain in Candlelight. We're going to take a towel and some mineral spirits, and we're going to wipe it down before we stain. It kind of gives it a kind of a slip coat by doing this, and it helps the stain to spread a little easier.
Okay, so we're gonna finish this piece with Wipe On Poly by Minwax. We're gonna do 2 coats on everything, maybe 3 on this top. We wanna be careful not to get this Wipe On Poly onto this section right here, because we want this ultra shiny, and we already have the top coat on this, and it's kind of shiny. But if we put this on top of that, what it's going to do is dull this finish.
Okay, so we searched around. We wanted to find something typical of the Art Deco period. We found this hardware. There you go. Found this hardware, 2 pieces. We found this hardware online. So we're going to be using this. Okay guys, so we're going to finish putting on the hardware and put the drawers in. Just want to remind you to check out the link for the playlist down in the description, where we have all of the content creators that are involved in the Ugly Duckling challenge and all of their videos available for you. And as always, we appreciate if you like the video and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. And thanks again to Cory over at Desert DIY for hosting the Ugly Duckling Challenge. And we will show you what we started with, and then we'll show you the finished piece. And as always, have a flippin' awesome day.